Hey guys, I didn't talk to you for a while. Happy summer. I hope you enjoying the nice warm weather. And since summer is here, a lot of us start traveling, and I want to share with you my 4 wellness must-haves from doTERRA. I never leave at home, and I always have in my bag when I travel. And so number 1 is for my immune system. This is On Guard oil. This is must have because when we travel, especially the airports, there's people from all over the world, the recycled air, there's so many germs everywhere. So, you know, we need to protect ourselves. So I take it before I travel, take it during the travel, and probably a day after I travel, and as I need it, because this is lifesaver for any cold, flus, or whatever you can catch at the airport. So I normally, this is the hot oil, and like my taste buds very sensitive to this oil. I cannot take it right in the mouth, but my husband can. He can just take the 1 drop under tongue and drink water, and he's fine. But I use it in veggie capsules. I always have it with me. So take the veggie capsule, put like 3-4 drops of the oil inside, and take it with water. Or you can also dilute it with carrier oil. I have like a bottle of fractionated coconut oil with me, or any other base oil like almond oil, jojoba. So you can just put like 5 drops of base oil with 1 drop of the On Guard. Put it on your neck, on your feet, you know, that's the topical use. There's also On Guard drops like this. It's like a little candy. Then you can have it, very convenient for travel. Oops. So like this, there's the soft gels and beadlets if you don't want to deal with oil, and veggie caps, but I prefer oil. But anyway, so that is must have for immune support. Also very helpful when you feel any sore throat. I put the I use it with teaspoon of honey and put it there, mask it there, and take it, and it works like a charm. It saved me so many times. So second one, my favorite, is DigestZen. It's blend of all beautiful oils like peppermint, coriander, ginger, caraway seeds, fennel, anise. It's like amazing digestive herbs, and saved me from the food poisoning. Last time I was in Dominican, it only took me 1 day to recover. It was pretty bad, but I was honestly surprised how well it worked. But yeah, this is for digestive support and comfort. You can put it in the capsules, like I said. You can put it in the water. I use it every day, 1 drop in the water. I just, like to keep my tummy comfortable. Helps with like hiccups or bloating or too much gas or something like that, just to calm your tummy. And you can also dilute it with the base oil and rub it on your tummy. Also helps really well. So this one must have. Another one is Breathe. It's a respiratory blend that helps with any issues, respiratory issues. Like I like that for the airplane, to have it in my purse in the airplane, because I always have stuffy nose because air is so dry, and it helps me a lot to breathe. I just put a couple drops on my palm and rub it and breathe it like this, and opens all the air passages and opens up our lungs and helps us to breathe um, nicely. Also for any cough or like allergies, like seasonal allergies, stuffy nose, or you can, it, you go somewhere where something is blooming and suddenly you start sneezing and coughing. This is amazing. Wonderful blend. Also has drops as well, like this. Oh, and DigestZen has a soft gels too, so you don't have to deal with oil. And last but not least, my favorite is a deep blue rub. It's a little cream like this, has a blue color because it has a blue tansy. It's very, very powerful blend of herbs like or essential oils like winter greens and camphor and peppermint, blue tansy, German chamomile, and helichrysum, which is super powerful, and ylang ylang, and osmanthus. So this is for your pains and aches, because we travel and we sleep for a long time, sometimes on the bed and it's not ours, the pillows and then it's not ours. We walk a lot, we sit for a long time on the airplane. This is must have because it helps with the back pain, with any muscle soreness, with any joint discomfort. I love this thing. I honestly, with my joint issues, sometimes it just, I don't know what I would do without it. So this is really, really good. So anyway, so this is your very simple travel wellness kit. Of course, I take like 4 times more oils with me, but if you would choose any, just a very, very simple kit, that would be what I would recommend, or this is my favorite. So on guard for immune support, breeze for respiratory support, DigestZen for your digestion support, and deep blue rub for the muscles and body comfort. And of course, this oils is to support your comfort and well-being, and it's not to replace any medical care. If something is really serious and you cannot breathe, or you have like some poisoning that you need a medical care, please see the doctor. It's not it's not to replace the medical care, but it's for your preventive and keep your body in a good shape, and provide the well-being for you and comfort. So, and save this video for your next trip, so you know what to get, and message me if you want to build your very simple travel wellness kit. I will help you to order these oils and this wonderful rub that you can not only use it for travel, but anytime you need this. This is probably one of the best that you can find, and I highly recommend. So yeah, have a wonderful summer and safe travel, and keep being healthy. Thank you. Bye.